Hello friends, in this tutorial we will talk about on-page SEO's four factors like title, meta description, URL structure, breadcrumb. I'm telling you that in the previous video we have discussed about what is on-page SEO, and in this tutorial we will try to show you the practically title, meta description, URL structure, breadcrumbs. First of all, I am showing you on search, and then I will show you on my site. So let's search on best dog food. Here you can see the suggestion. Look, they have shown us the content including to our search result. If I click on it, you can see the title is here. Every time you can see the title on the top of content, and then you will see the content, full content of. Okay, let's go to our site to show you the practically. I've come here on my site. It is made with WordPress, so I've come here on my dashboard, WordPress dashboard. If I click on post, all post, and if I click of any of my content, you can see, you can call it any post, blog post. Let's click on it, and here you can see, okay, I'm showing you information. Title: try to write the content under 70 character. 60 character is best. Look, this title is under 70 character, maybe it is under 60 character. Here you can see the meta description. Look, the meta description, it is under 150 character, and you may ask me, how did I get this type of option? Actually, it is a plugin of Yoast SEO. You can install it on your WordPress site for free. If I take you to my WordPress site, wait, and click on plugin and add new. Here you can search YOAST SEO. Search it here. Look, actually I have installed it, that's why it is showing me just update now. I'm going to update it. You can install it by clicking install now. It will show you this option, install now, but I am updating it because I have already installed it on my WordPress site. That's how you can get it. So I'm again come here, and look, meta description. Try to write the content title, sorry, okay, try to write the meta description under 160 character. 150 character is best. Look here. Okay, how you can count it? So to do this, open a new tab and write word counter, COUNT, word counter, and it will show you wordcounter.net. Click on it. If I select whole word and paste it, look, the character is under 140 and word is 27 only. It is best for you. Google also like it. Look here. best dog food. Look, this content is best to look because it is not a long tail keyword. Also, it is not a long tail title. Look, the title is it, and this is meta description. Now let's talk about URL structure. What is URL structure and why make it SEO friendly? You should make it SEO friendly because it's also supported by Google. Google support it. So I'm showing you a bed URL structure. If I click on it, okay, look at the top of this website. Look, the URL is not SEO friendly. Best dog food NCNA, the numeric number. It is not SEO friendly, but it has ranked because of it good content. But this is not good SEO friendly structure. How will you make it SEO friendly? I am taking you on my site. Look, this is SEO friendly structure, my site name, and the 5 secrets of a Facebook hidden ad interest target. The title and the URL structure is quite same. That's why it is SEO friendly structure. If you see the ugly URL structure like this website, you can make it easily. You can fix it by clicking, by going to your permanent. So search for settings and click on permalinks. Go down. It can be actually by default it is custom structure, but you have to make it, and you should click on post type like my site post type. Actually this is my post title and this is the URL. So click on post type and go down, save changes. Click on save changes. Okay, and now we will talk about breadcrumb. Use breadcrumb on your site. Okay, I'm showing you what is breadcrumb. If I click on this article, it will take me to their website, and here you can see an option. Sorry, look, this option is breadcrumb. This is called breadcrumb, and also I am showing you on my site. Look, here you can see the breadcrumb. Okay, I think it is clear for you. You can do these settings by going your Yoast SEO plugin. So go to your Yoast SEO. I'm going to my Yoast SEO plugin. Look, here you can see why SEO means Yoast SEO. Click on tools. Sorry, general maybe. Search appearance. Look, here you can see under Yoast SEO search appearance, you can see breadcrumbs. You have to make it on show blog pages. That's why it is showing on my blog post. It will only show on your blog post. Okay, I think I've successfully make you understood the 4 things of on page SEO. I've covered. I think I've make you happy, and I've covered title, meta description, URL structure, breadcrumbs, etc. Step by step, I'll show you the whole on page SEO on my YouTube channel. So stay connected with me, and please share, like, comment, and subscribe my channel by clicking on subscribe button. Also you can click on bell icon. So thanks for watching this video. Till then, take care. I will upload my next video. So till then, take care.